What's up, everybody? How you doing? Scott Jelinek here with the Master Investor Academy, doing a real quick video for you because I just walked in and I see Alex is sitting here paying off all his debt. If you saw that last video they did an assignment for I think about $52,000. And one of the things we're constantly preaching is you have to be, if you're in debt, you can never be free. You're a slave to debt. And so the first thing he's doing with his money, barring saving a little bit for marketing, because you still need to be in the business, is he's paying off all of his credit cards, furniture, bunch of, what does that say? Furniture. I thought it said Finger Hut. I was like, God, I hope you didn't do Finger Hut. Anyway, paying off all of his debts and getting out. And so, Alex, first off, I said to him, I said, where are your checks? I guess I'm old. He says, we don't use checks anymore. It's all done through the app. So there is no checks. But anyway, Alex, go ahead and tell them your future vision, paying off your debt, and what do you got going on over here?
So I had all the debt all laid out nice and neat on my kitchen table, and my goal was to be able to cross every one of those out. So far, I've crossed out more than 90% of them off of one deal alone, and I got a few more deals pending that I have a feeling this whole list will be gone maybe by next month. And you know, debt-free is the most important thing. It's all about spending less than what you make. And now we're gonna be able to keep a whole bunch more than we've been doing before, and it'll be able to allow us to build a lot more and build the wealth a lot easier because nothing's holding us back. And it's all via Scott's training.
So nobody really appreciates being debt-free until you actually are. There's a thousand schools of thought on this. Oh no, leverage and keep the debt. You guys know how I feel about it. Being debt-free is complete freedom. You make money, you actually get to keep it. And so I just wanted to share this with you because I came in, I got excited to see him crossing his off the list and getting out of debt. And he will, well, I guess for maybe 1 or 2 cards left, will be debt-free. No car payment, no credit card payments, no payments at all. And it's a much easier life and much easier to stack your cash when you have no one to send it to. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoy these videos, go ahead, click like and subscribe to this channel, and we will see you on the next video.